What up mga solid subscribers, no? So guys, ito manonood po naman tayo ulit ng mga updates. Pero ngayon guys, kung isa sa isang channel po tayo nood, ngayon naman po kay I'm Pop Price tayo, no? Isa po si I'm Pop Price sa pinapanooran ko regarding po sa updates ng ating mahal lima, no? So shoutout kay I'm Pop Price, suporta tayo diyan, and yun, subscribe kayo dyan, no? And yun, basta kung gusto nyo makita ng updates po regarding sa ating mahal lima, punta kayo sa YouTube channel niyan. And ako lang naman is gusto ko lang kasi habang nanonood po ako, gusto nyo makita yung, gusto kong ma-share lang sa inyo reaction ko yung mga comments ko regarding dito, no? Take note guys, hindi ko po talaga siya pinapanood. Ngayon pa lang talaga as in, no? Kumbaga gusto kong makita nyo lang din at masubaybayan natin kung ano nangyari sa ating mahal lima, no? So yun lang guys, without further ado, let's all watch this. Let's go. I'm Pop Price.
Following their successful concert in Dubai last April 24th, the group SB19, also known as the P-Pop Kings, flew to Japan in preparation for the second leg of their Pugta Tag World Tour, which will take place at the Japan Pavilion on April 29, 2024. According to online accounts shared by their fans, the group reportedly safely arrived in Japan, but unfortunately, they were unable to be seen by the fans. There is no clear reason provided as to why the group did not appear at the airport, but it is likely for their safety and possibly due to compliance with Japan's policies. Certainly, their fans surely understand this, and it likely heightened their excitement to see SB19 in person for the first time even more. On the other hand, some fortunate fans are able to see and interact with them in person, just like this TikTok user.
May nakita ko yung mga friends ko. Hi,
hey!
Wait lang. Pogi mo naman sa malapit. Nakita na kami ni Steph. Medyo wala pa ako sa wala pa kami sa hulog. Naglalakad kami dito sa
Nanginginig pa.
Siyerte naman.
Nanginginig pa kami. Na-meet namin yung boys. Ito.
Indeed, they are truly a blessed fan. Tickets for SB19 Japan concert are almost sold out. According to their official ticket partner, some VIP, gold, and silver tickets are sold out and only a few are still available. That's why SB19 Stel has a playful way of persuading their fans to buy more tickets.
Ay, nakita ko yata ito eh. Sabi na eh. Yung mga nag-trend ngayon na mga marketing strategy.
Their fans, known as the A-Team, are always up for it. In recent days, SB19 released a dance teaser for their highly anticipated new song, Moonlight. This was well received by their fans because of its unique dance steps, which are quite different from their previous choreographies. Consequently, some fans hesitated to believe that this was the actual choreography for their new song. So, Stel jokingly replied to one fan about why it seemed like they didn't want to believe that it is really the actual choreography. Because of the unusual dance moves, their fans also started making their own dance videos.
Let's go. Ang dami guys. Actually ako gumawa rin ako niyan guys, no?
Other fans enjoyed the trendy new dance steps by incorporating them into different music. Their new song Moonlight will be released on May 3rd, where SB19 will collaborate with some of the big international artists and producers. And as always, thanks for watching. See you around. The pop group SB19 upon their arrival at Haneda Airport in Japan. The marketing manager of the Pugta Tag World Tour explained that due to Japan's tight security, the group had to use the back door instead of the usual arrival area. While fans missed seeing the P-Pop Kings, they surely understood the situation. And since they missed welcoming the group,
ganyan talaga guys, bawat bansa po talaga guys is may kanya-kanya po silang kanya-kanya po silang rules, no? Kaya irespeto po natin guys, irespeto natin. Para din na sa ating mahaliman kasi mamaya pag pinilit po nila pumunta diyan is baka magkaroon po ng problema, no? I mean pumunta sa yung normal na daanan po talaga.
Their fans eagerly rushed and lined up early at the venue where SB19 final leg of the international concert will be held. According to the photos and videos uploaded by their fans, They started lining up at the venue as early as 8 in the morning. The concert will be held at the Japan Pavilion, starting at 6 and ending at 8 in the evening, Japan Standard Time.
Dami tao guys, oh. Pause ko na guys, bigla ko na naalala, no. Yung may nagsabi na fan na baka daw hindi yun yung choreography nung nung Moonlight. No? Para sa akin, pwede siya guys, pwede siya, no. Kasi masaya yung steps niya, no. Pero ewan ko lang, ang playful niya kasi, ang playful niya. Hindi na masabi guys, no? Pero para sa akin kung yun making choreography, pwede sa akin, para sa akin pwede siya, no. Kasi kasi usually yung mga ganyan ang sarap sayawin, na like catchy. Tignan nyo, grabe nag-trend agad na kasi, no. Para sa akin okay din siya and wala namang masama, no, kung yun yung maging pinakasayaw nila. Nakadepende naman yun sa
The group continues to receive blessings this year, one of which is reaching 40 million views on the music video of their viral hit song, Gento. The group also garnered numerous awards at the recently held 14th and 15th PMPC Star Awards, where SB19 won 8 awards in various categories. The P-Pop Kings are also nominated for an international award in Mexico, where they will compete against heavyweight names in K-pop and Western music such as Twice and Le Sserafim. And the blessings for the group don't stop there, as they recently received another endorsement. Just the other day, a brand of eyewear joined the long list of brand endorsements for SB19. Ideal Vision became part of the new teaser photo of the group for their upcoming song Moonlight, scheduled to be released on May 3rd. It can also be seen on the website that they now have SB19 eyewear collections, priced from $3,995 up to $28,995.
Grabe guys, yung presyohan, no? Kay Ken, 28, kay Pab, 48, 49, kay Justin, 27, kay Josh, may presyo yan. Tingnan natin. Grabe yun, ha? Solidan ng presyo.
Eyewear joined the long list of brand endorsements for SB19. Ideal Vision became part of the new teaser photo of the group for their upcoming song Moonlight, scheduled to be released on May 3rd.
Yun, no? Ken is wearing Gucci pala kasi. Okay. 28.
It can also be seen on
27
on the website that they now have SB19 eyewear collections, priced from $3,995 up to $28,995.
Ayan, kay Stel Swiss Eye 3K. Pwede kay Stel, oh. Kay Josh 24K. Damn.
Subscribe now for more updates about SB19. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you around.
Let's go.
Pugda Tag concert, swarmed by many fans in Japan. Based on the photos and videos from their fans, you can see how high energy and excited the fans are for the group's concert.
Dami tao guys, grabe.
The photo op for VIP ticket holders has also begun. Here are some shots from
their
fans.
Ang angas ni Ken yung book niya, no? Kung kailan yung si Eren Yeager of Attack on Titan, no? Parang ganyan yung itsura ni Ken, no? Kasi si Eren Yeager, sa mga hindi nakakaalam guys, yung mata niya parang kay Ken din na parang nandilisik na ganyan. Kaya parang katulad kamukha niya si Eren Yeager. Search nyo, Eren Yeager.
Ayan, high five. Appear. Perfect. Okay, ready to take the photo. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Perfect.
Guys, take note, ang bagay kay Ja yung ganyang black hair. As in, mas gusto ko kay Ja yung ganyan. Nung tingnan ko si Ja, oh, parang hindi siya Pinoy. Ang gusto ko yung ganda itsura ni Ja, as in, talaga napaka-mistiso, as in, chinito talaga.
Okay. Bakit na po sponsors natin?
Ikaw ng MX3? That's closer, ha? Wait lang, sir.
Lalaro tong dalawang to.
Tonight, pasalamatan niyo ang MX3 for their wonderful giveaways and offers. Bongga!
Okay.
Bakit na po sponsors natin? Next po na. Ayan. Yes, MX3 sponsor na net.
Yan guys, napahigap si Josh. I think ibang napahigap si Josh. I think iba may misunderstood yung paghigap ni Josh. Baka sabihin, ano ba yan? Hindi naman niya ini-entertain yung mga tao. Ay, naantok na siya agad. Hindi siya tutuwa sa nangyayari. No? Hello guys, no? Pagod po yung tao, alisin lahat sila pagod, no? Tuloy-tuloy yung schedule nila as in, no? Kaya, yung mga ganyan simpleng paghikap, tandaan nyo, tao lang din po sila, no? Napagod din po, no? Kaya, yung mga ganyang moment, no? Napagod din sila. Puyat yan, dami. Hindi lang naman yan yung pagka-perform, okay, uwi na, tulog. Hindi sila ganun, eh. Like, pag halimbawa gawa ng music video, pag gawa ba is mga, 1 hour lang. Hindi po ganyan yung guys. Yung pag ganyan, yung pag-perform nila, may, bago sila mag-perform dyan sa event na yan, gising sila ng umaga para po mag-prepare and then mag-stage rehearsal, mag-tech run, mag-bihes or what, and then mag-dry run pa yan. Lahat, guys, no? So, buong araw din yun, guys. And syempre, paggawa ng music video, guys, it takes time, guys. Yung 1 minute na yan or kahit 20 seconds po ng music video, or sabihin natin 5 seconds, guys, no? It takes an hour po talaga, guys. Oras po yan. Minsan nga, araw pa yan pag gusto niyo po talagang sobrang detalyado mga visual effects or may gusto kayo malaman na. Believe me guys, so hindi basta-basta yan. Kaya yung mga ganyan, I think, inunahan ko na kayo. Kasi mamaya sabihin may lumabas na ng balita. SB19 Josh, hinikab sa isang event, hindi ba natutuwa sa mga fans? Ewan ko sa inyo, inunahan ko na kayo.
Congrats!
Hey! Ang cute na bata. Grabe guys, no? Lahat po talaga ng edad humahanga sa ating mahaliman. Lahat ng edad is welcome po talaga nyo. And doon makikita na hindi, usually kasi sinasabi nila ang mga nagiging fan or nagiging mga solid fan lang naman ng SB19 is yung mga teenager, yung mga gano'n. No? Hindi guys, lahat po yan. No? Talagang, talaga, universal po ang ating mahaliman. So, shoutout po sa ating mahaliman, no? Kaya sana po is tayo po ay sumuporta po sa kanila na, and let's all spread the positivity guys, no? I-spread natin yan guys, no? Huwag tayo mag-spread ng negativity guys, no? Let's go. And guys, no? Kindly like, comment, share, subscribe to Disney Point of It, signing out. Peace, let's G.